Hey everybody, what I'm going to do today is play along with the Brooklyn Tabernacle Choir doing What a Beautiful Name It Is. Song was requested by one of my students in the Guitars for Vets community. So here we go. First I'm going to play along with it and then I'm going to go over the chords. So here goes. The introduction is G with an A and a D on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to mute the A string. So you want to hear the G note on the low E string, which is the 3rd fret of the low E string. Mute the A string. Let the D string ring. Put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you get this nice chord. Okay. Next chord is A sus4, which I play an A chord with one finger and just put my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. B minor 7 in an A minor 7 shape. D with a 3rd on the bottom. Then again G with an A and a D on top. A sus4, B minor 7, A sus4. Okay, so that's the introduction with the violin. Then comes the verse. You're going to play 2 measures of D. Then a G, B minor 7, A sus4, B minor 7, A with a 3rd on the bottom. Again, I'm playing a regular A chord with the 3rd with using my ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string. Then a D chord. Here comes a G, B minor 7, A sus4, D, A sus4, minor 7, A, G with the A and the D. Now we're going to do a D with the 3rd in the bottom, which I'm going to do with my thumb. A sus4, B minor 7, A with a 3rd on the bottom, and the G, A, and D. Okay, now we're going to have another verse. 2 measures of D. Here comes a G, B minor 7, A sus4, B minor 7, A with the 3rd on the bottom, and a D. Here comes G, B minor 7, A sus4. Comes a D, A sus4, B minor 7, followed by A. Here comes the G with the A and the D. Here comes with a D with the 3rd on the bottom. A sus4, B minor 7, A with the 3rd on the bottom, G with the A and D. Repeat. A, D with a 3rd on the bottom, A sus4, B minor 7, A with the 3rd on the bottom. Now G and the A and the D. Another measure of G, A, and D. Here comes G, A, B minor 7, D with a 3rd on the bottom, G with the A and the D, A, B minor 7, A with the 3rd on the bottom, repeat, on the bottom. Moving on to a D. B minor 7, A, G with the A and the D. D with the third on the bottom. A with the third on the bottom. B minor 7, A, G with the A and the D. Repeat, D, F sharp minor 7, B minor 7, A, G with the A and the D, D with a third on the bottom, A with a third on the bottom, B minor 7, A, G with the D and the A, come B minor 7, A, G with the A and the D, B minor 7, Okay, I hope I covered everything. Cool.